What's up guys, how are you doing? It's Rackay and I'm back yet with a new video. I am so happy that I am actually finally recording after months and months and months. I know I've disappointed a few people and I'm very sorry. Those of you guys who have been supportive of me and watching my videos, thank you so much. May God bless you. Heather in particular, I send you a shout out. How are you doing? Bambi, I'm really sorry. But you guys, I think I'm going to be back for good this time. Like, I'm going to be very serious about my work now, like about YouTube basically. Because I won't say I have, because yes, I've been having like a lot of things on my plate. I'm planning a lot of things for you guys, and I also have like a lot of things in my life. So I've been like kind of up and down, and COVID came, just no hustling and all that. But yeah, right now I am back and I'm going to try as much as possible to post like regularly. Okay, I won't really guarantee that I'll be posting regularly, but like possibly like thrice a week. Yeah, I'll try that. So guys, yeah, I hope you've forgiven me for being away for such a long time, and I think I'm going to be like consistent this time. Yeah, I don't have a video right now, but I wanted to talk to you guys. Oh, someone asked me on my WhatsApp like how I did this hair, because I like put a status that I was going to actually upload this particular video, but I didn't really record much. What I recorded was just a few things of me like braiding. Yeah, so that's all I'm going to take you through how I did this hair, because right now it's like really grown. I think I can check out like some. You guys, my hair is growing like mad long. I don't know, I'm going to show you. Okay, that will be for the next video, not for this particular video, but I'll be like showing you how I maintain my hair these days, the kind of products I use. So the only problem I have right now is my edges like keep breaking, so I'm probably going to be now focusing on my edges, because now like my hair, I've been like really working on my hair, trimming the edges. I will not lie, I haven't trimmed them often, but I'll try. Like I try. Then the products, I switched from like the chemically made products, like really organic products. Organic products are expensive, but they are really good for your hair. So yeah, like my hair has grown. It has actually been in my, like I've plaited it for actually like 3 weeks, and it's this long. Guys, check. I don't know if you can see it so well, but so this is the braid, and from here to here, like that's my hair, dude. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So guys, I'll be taking you through the steps I've been using, sorry, and the products I've been using, but that will be like for next time. Right now I came to bring you like this video of how I did this hair, though right now it's like 3 weeks old. It's like so old. It looks like it looks like it's a month old. It's just 3 weeks, Jesus. But yeah,